Mini mobbing.
So today we're gonna do an unbiased opinion of the Grom 125 and what is it, the Z?
And the Z125. Here, we got to fly here. Let me just swat this bug away. Yeah. There we go. I took care of that bug.
So yeah, we're gonna give these a couple rundowns, and between a couple of us here, give an opinion of what we think would be a good bike to start on.
Mini stunt bike first impressions.
Stay tuned.
Woo!
Oh no!
Not my front fluid.
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh
right.
no!
So far the bike doesn't like me.
Oh, that's the rear fluid.
Yeah.
Just poured it.
That's how we roll here.
Just gotta crack the lid.
Yeah. Get the bleeder.
Yeah. Get that drip.
Here we go. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Get that drip.
How many mils do we need?
All of them.
Okay.
Every mil.
Sweet. We're topped up to spec.
All right.
Ready for some more punches.
Install that back.
Yeah, we're gonna put this back to stock spec, perfectly torqued. Click right there. We go.
Click.
And then here we go. Yeah. Stick this back in there.
This is just lubricant for the clutch, right?
Yeah, clutch. It's not really that important.
No, you don't need a clutch.
And this one's got the anti-theft thing, eh?
Yeah, you can't. You gotta bump start.
It's 3 steps. Oh,
no.
I got it wrong. Is it 4 steps?
It must be 4.
1, 2, 3.
There it is. Redemption! Redemption! Redemption!
My fat ass can't climb up the high chair anymore.
Yeah.
I gotta start from scratch there.
What was your idle at?
I think it was like 6 grand, 7
Okay,
grand.
yeah. I run like 4.
Pretty much it's set to screaming.
Set to screaming, yeah. With
Yeah,
this
so
nice stock
first
exhaust.
impressions, it's got a really nice, easy balance point. It's not like too far back that, you know, it kind of gets a little sketchy.
Yeah.
And you guys got these geared a bit, but overall it's still got pretty good, like, down low grunt for cranking circles and stuff. So
Yep.
the handbrake, world of difference. They work on everything. It's always nice to have that.
Let's see you utilize the handbrake and get up on that seat. Seat and cage.
All right. These Groms have a really weird starting mechanism, right?
Yeah, you got to work for it.
Definitely has a pretty good seat standard for a balance point too.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
No.
Not too bad. It's a good, overall I think it's a really good learner bike.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely feels easy to get used to. But
and you can fall flat on your ass and it doesn't, you can get up and go to work the next day. So I don't know, man, I think he likes the Grom, but he's not going to admit it.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how much he likes to see.
It looks like he ate a Mario mushroom and he got big. He's not on that 636 anymore.
Yeah.
it's just like more forgiving, or just like...
Yeah, it's just weird. It seems like steering it on the balance line. Now, I don't know what the PSI in the back tires are either, but...
Yeah, I think this one's higher. I think this
definitely
one's...
feels like the Grom so far anyway.
I find people are either pro Grom or pro Z. Like, there's no...
They're both fun.
Yeah. Without a doubt. Without a doubt. I honestly believe that people who own a Z prefer the Z, and people who own a Grom prefer the Grom.
You're probably right.
I think that's really the only stipulation. But I guess the idea of this is to see what somebody thinks of it who doesn't own either.
That's right. Unbiased opinion.
I also feel like it's a different learning curve.
Adjust that in a bit, because there's been a few times
fine.
I'm like, oh, like go back too far.
Try standing.
Yeah.
Try the stand-up test. I can't. He looks exactly like you on it. Like patch on the sweater, everything. Phew. All right, here we go.
I find this wants to straighten up and take off. It feels like when I have like a new high tire in the center, it naturally wants to like steer out on the circles.
Okay.
But
woo! Youch! That was a clean scrape. Chain looks so good.
Freshy. Stock reason.
Just reckless.
definitely way easier seat standard.
Yeah.
Then sit down. Yeah. They're just different animals, I guess. It's really all you can say.
I mean, for like getting the hang of it and stuff, both are good. I'm just giving a biased opinion.
Yeah.
That's right.
How I feel on them, right?
Yeah.
They definitely like can naturally just go out and wheelie it.
Yeah.
You know?
You just hop on and wheelie it, and there's really not like there's a little bit of gearing change, and the bars really for positioning.
I like these bars better.
Yeah.
Because I find when I'm like up high, it doesn't hurt so much when you come down too.
Yeah. It's a nice level surface to land on.
Didn't even put that on purpose.
So, I think I'm gonna go with the Grom.
You're gonna buy a Grom?
Alright.
You traded your Razor for a 450, no, for a 250, a YZ250.
So I think really after a sick trade like that, I mean the next best thing really is to trade the 250 for a Grom.
Yeah, I mean you're weighing smiles per gallon here, right?
Yeah. I mean gas is going up, and I'm getting old, so
Straight trade for a Grom.
yeah, knobby tires and everything.
Yeah.
I might do the 3-wheel mod on it.
The 3-wheel mod. Have a Grom trike.
Yeah.
Sweet. there you have it.
Still fun though.
Yeah.
Still fun.
I like the Grom too, don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the Z, so I mean.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, give me a day on either.
It's what I'm used to the most, yeah.
Give me a day on either and able to change and tweak things, like for sure, could probably make them both work and benefit, right?
Yeah.
Today, just hopping on them, never driven them before. Definitely, definitely like the feel. This one, you can tell the power, like especially the chop when you're letting off. Like at 12, you can really feel the engine brake on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the seat position I find is way different on that one too. Like you're higher up, your feet are higher up. I mean, it's really preference.
It is, yeah.
If you were going to choose, you would never be able to choose based on opinion. You'd have to go ride one of each.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
And then how it's set up makes a big difference too, right? How the gearing is, the handlebars, the handbrake and everything, how everything feels.
Yeah, and how broken one is versus the other. We got a few stitches.
Yeah.
It's all stitched up.
What's the nicest thing about this is I don't have to jump start it.
So that wins. That wins. So Martin said he's going to show Sam how it's done on the Z. Sam back on a bicycle longs. A lot of people on Groms going that hard, even really good stunt riders. So maybe the Z you can get a little further. You can progress a little further. Maybe get a little more stylish.
I'm requesting a way back playback.
A way back playback. Layback. Hot dog Den here. Some of you may recognize that Grom, fellow YouTuber used to own it. Den here, he bought it up and he's been learning to stunt on it. Last year we voted him most improved because he just started last year. Not even the full season, and he's starting to kill it. He's almost got circles dialed. Woo! Oh my god, no!
Oh
no!
I'm feeling sick on the old twins, bud. Oh yeah, definitely not having kids now.
No, that ship sailed. She's folding up to, well, there's your crease right there.
Oh, geez.
Look at this. Oh.
Little how's she going?
Oh, yeah. It's all right. The shorter that is, the better you are. Also, green bubbly, apple bubbly.
Thanks for tuning in for another weekly vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed our little non-biased review of a Grom and a Z125 and dragging some fenders. So definitely like and subscribe and check us out every time you guys want to see some weekly stuff. Thanks a lot. See you later.